In today's video, I want to teach you how to plant a seed and water it correctly. So many people actually don't know how to do it, so I'm going to do a tutorial step by step on how to do it. So the question is, where do you get a seed? You get it from the fruit. Once you get the seed out, you can eat the fruit. First step complete. The next step is now you need to get some soil. Now, there's many different types of soil. Here in Georgia, we have some red clay. You can buy the mixed soil. You can make your own compost, which is what we're gonna be using today. But different types of soil will help the seed grow better, depending on how you plant the seed, where you plant the seed. It's going to yield different results. It could be faster or slower times. It could be more nutrients for the seed, so the seed grows bigger and stronger. Depends on the environment, but we're going to go get some dirt in the pot and plant the seed. And we're just going to get some dirt here. Why am I talking like that? Dang. Anyway, we just need a little bit. Some random stuff in here. Oh, hey, look at this. Oh my. Look at this, it's already growing. This is an avocado. It's been grown in here. Look at this. This is an avocado seed, and it's been just growing. Look at that. I didn't even mean to, look at that. I didn't mean to plant this. I threw this seed in some soil with other scraps. And a year later, I come to find out that this seed has produced roots and has been growing the whole time. It's been growing alone in the dark. And I didn't even know. This is so beautiful to see. And the thing is, what's funny is, I'm not even talking about seeds here. I'm not talking about physical seeds here. If you have ears to hear, eyes to see, you'll know what I'm talking about. But let's go plant this. Sometimes the greatest seeds that you sow are the ones that you don't even realize you've sown. It's the ones that through your actions, through your fruits, people take that seed. I threw this seed away. I ate the fruit of it, and I just threw it away to compost it. I come back a year later and it has roots. It's sprouted, and I didn't even know. I was just digging up randomly to fill this pot with some compost, and I find this seed. Because all seeds, no matter how big or small, you plant them in soil, the law of the seed takes part. I didn't have to pray for this seed to grow. I didn't have to fast. I didn't have to study. I didn't have to do anything. I just planted it in the soil and it grew. So basically what you do here is you can take the whole fruit, but make sure the seed is in it. Place it in the dirt, cover it, and now I'm going to show you how to water it. Now another law that is very important is the law of water. Here I have some water in a plastic bottle. I have no idea where it came from. It's a purified water, they say. This is not living. There is no electricity in here. There is no real hydration in this water. This water, on the other hand, comes from a well that's 400 feet under the earth. This is packed with the elements I need: hydrogen, oxygen. This is filled with hydration, with electricity. This water is living. This water is not. So we're going to use this one. So now step 4, this is how I water. Ready? Get the living water and you pour it. And now the dirt is going to soak up the water and it's going to feed the seed so then it can grow. It's that simple. It's that simple. You just leave it right in the sun. Well guys, that is how you plant and water a seed. If you guys enjoyed and got something out of it, subscribe, like, and comment what you learned. See you guys in the next video.